Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another mystery box for you guys. You know, I've been kind of really into mystery boxes lately, and it seems like every brand is putting one out. I noticed a ton of them for like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the Balm actually had one, so I went ahead and ordered it. So if you guys are unfamiliar with the Balm, I feel like most people know them for like their Mary Luminizer highlighter. That's been a cult favorite for years, but they do, I believe, sell their stuff at Kohl's and on their website, and I've known like some Walgreens and CVS does carry the Balm, and I've been wanting to try some more of their line. I just have a few things from them, so I'd be curious to see if I get duplicates. I'd be actually really surprised if I did, because I don't own a ton from them, so I thought this would be a good mystery box to try out. So this is still available if you guys want to purchase it. I don't know if everyone is getting the same things or what, but I'll link it down below. It says mystery bag. I paid $40 for this. It's supposed to have an $80 value, and it says that it is a holiday mystery bag complete with an $80 value of products at $40. This makes the perfect surprise gift for all the makeup lovers in your life, or even the perfect treat for yourself. This set guarantees one of the brand's best sellers. Oh, we probably got Mary Luminizer in here. I do have that already. As well as a travel-friendly compact mirror. I guess I didn't read that part below. I probably should have, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Alright, so it did come in a box, but then inside the box was this rose gold padded envelope, I guess, so it keeps the product safe from breaking, so that is great. Let's see what we got. Alright, I'm just going to randomly pull stuff out. So it looks like the first thing is called Overshadow the Sex Pots. So I don't know if this has a shade or it's just called the Sex Pots. I don't know. But, oh wait, here on the bottom it says work is overrated. So I'm guessing this is a cream eyeshadow. So it's actually a loose one. I was kind of hoping it was a cream because I feel like those are a little bit easier for me to use, but it is a loose eyeshadow in here. But it has really nice packaging. Here it is. So, I don't know, these are just so messy that I tend to not use these kind of things, but this could be very pretty. Let's see. It is a gorgeous color. It's a really pretty, almost champagne rose. It's beautiful. Like, this could be such a pretty highlight as well, but yeah, it's very stunning. I just wish that it was, I don't know, a normal shadow. I just don't like these kind. Let me know if you guys are on the same page or if you guys don't mind. I never just use singles, but I might have to try it because that shade is beautiful. Alright, next up we have, this is the Balm Girls lipstick. This one is in the shade Mia Moore. So it says Mia Moore and James Balm on there. They come up with the cutest names, I swear. Oh wow, this looks like a little MAC lipstick bullet, but silver. So we got a, looks like a red. I can't tell if it's matte or satin, but let's swatch. It feels nice. This is just a nice holiday red shade. So no shimmer, no satin. It feels nice though. Like, it's not super drying. It felt really creamy, so I feel like this could be a nice one. So we will see. I'll try to use that for sure. I also got this, which is the Bonnie Duminizer, which I think is a liquid version of their highlight. Yeah, so this is Bonnie Duminizer. I feel like this might be a little bit dark for me. It has almost this bronzy finish to it. Let me just swatch it for you. Yeah, it's a dark gold. Here it is on the bottom. It almost reminds me of copper. But yeah, I feel like that's going to be too dark as a highlight, but I feel like you could maybe use this as a liquid eyeshadow, possibly. We also got here, oh, here is the little mirror. It says, blending is my cardio. It's very cute. It almost looks like a little button, like a button pin. So yeah, that's the mirror. And here is their bestseller, which I already have this, the Mary Luminizer, which looks like this. It is a super pretty highlight. I won't swatch this one up for you because I might put this in a giveaway, but just know that this is amazing. It was like the first amazing highlighter I feel like that I tried that was like super pigmented and gorgeous, so it's definitely a must-have. And then lastly, oh good, we got a blush. This is the Down Boy blush. I'm so happy. I was hoping for some of these and I don't have this one, but it looks like Marilyn Monroe on the cover. I don't know if it's supposed to be her, but it looks really cute. And this is a beautiful pink. I'm so happy we got this. I was a little bit nervous with all the other colors that we have, but I feel like this is going to be really pretty. Ooh, yes, I love this rosy pink. Very nice. Okay, let me total all these items together. That is everything in the bag, and we'll see what I come up with. The total actually came out to $91.50, and that's not including the mirror. I have no idea how much that would be. So we did get our money's worth, that is for sure. I would say shade-wise, I'm not like super happy with this bag. I feel like I would rather have just like went on their website during their 50% off sale and bought my own things. So I'm not 100% sure if this is completely worth it unless these shades are definitely up your alley. But because the Balm does sales like a lot. Like it would be one thing if they didn't do sales often at 50% off, but they do it like every month it seems like. So that's why I'm kind of like, I don't know about this, because it seems like the main hitters in this box were the Mary Lou and the Down Boy, which of course I already had this one. So these two together would be like $40, which is what I paid, and then the other items would be like extras. But I don't think I'm going to get a ton of use out of these extra products. And this lipstick, which is weird, the Balm doesn't even sell this on their website. I saw it on Kohl's, so I thought that was a little bit odd. They clearly kind of just threw these things in here to get rid of them. I haven't really seen anyone else unbox this one, so I have no idea if everyone got the same things. You guys will have to let me know, but I just don't think it was shades that I would use. I'm pretty much only going to use this in the whole bag, so I don't know. I think it was kind of a fail for me, but let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I do want to try some other mystery bags. I know there's quite a few from like Tarte. I think Pure has one. Maybe Wet n Wild. Like everyone has them, but I don't mind like trying them out for you guys. I think it's really fun to try to see which ones are worth it and which ones are not. But anyways, let me know if you guys find any other mystery boxes you want me to try out and unbox for you guys. Definitely open to suggestions. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.